Yay! Welcome back to my channel. For you new people viewing my channel for the first time or a couple times, welcome back. I welcome everybody. I just want to speak a little bit about my health. So I went for my annual physical today, my 1 year, and they check your A1C and all that good stuff, your lungs. So I find out here in a couple hours how my A1C is. I've been trying to get it lower by not eating so much carbs and sugar, and I have lost a little weight. Of course, that happened by itself with my chemo treatments. It'll make you lose weight, even though I am steady eating. But with chemo, you'll lose weight. Of course, that's what happened to me. I'm not saying what's going to happen to anybody else out there. It's just happened to me. Okay. So then tomorrow I have my PET scan results tomorrow with my chemo doctor, and I've seen some of the results, and they all look pretty good to me. But that don't mean too much, because I have read stuff before and not read it right and turn out to be not so good, but that's okay too. And so that's where we're at. We just came back from the doctor. We'll go again Thursday, and then I think next week should be good, and the following week should be good. Hopefully I'll be good for a couple weeks after that. I end up going to the doctor on a regular basis. And then I'll show you my port. I got a little port right here. I'll show you my port. I don't know if you can see it. There's a little bump right there. That's my port where they done the chemo treatments. So I have to have that thing flushed out every 6 weeks. Every 6 weeks I have to have that flushed out, just to make sure that little valve in there stays good and cleaned out. Because my blood flows through it, and you want that to be clear. That's from my understanding and everything. It has got clogged up. My last treatment, the chemo, it got clogged up, and then they had to flush it out with some stuff. They had to let it sit there about 30 minutes, and then that cleaned the valve out, so it had some stuff in it. So they cleaned that out, and then now it's pretty clear. Every time they treat me or something, it's good and clear. That's from the chemo place in Sanford here in North Carolina. That's where I had to do my chemo treatments. I'm all done with it now. I'm cancer free. My CEA, which is a cancer marker, is 1.73. Anything under a 3 is good. Anything over 3, in my opinion, is a concern. You can read all about that on the CEA cancer marker. So now I am cancer free. Just waiting on that PET scan. And when the PET scan does, it scans your brain, your lungs, your heart, all your organs, all the way down to your knees. They check you for tumors and stuff like that, bad stuff like that. But, according to the report, when I read it, everything looked good. Everything looked good on it, except for I had some questions about my liver. But so I found out today that some of the things I didn't understand were actually good things. They were good markers and stuff. So that's where we're at on that. So I appreciate you all hanging in there this far. I know it might be kind of boring to most people because they're not going through what I'm going through. But if there's any people out there, going through and they have some concerns and some questions, and I can answer most of them, just because I've been doing a lot of studying. Plus, I've been going through a lot about chemo, how chemo can do you. And my first chemo treatments were really harsh, and the chemo would make you highly sensitive to cold. And then it did it did a lot of damage to my kidneys. Ended up in the hospital 3 or 4 days. So that's an example of some of the stuff I can explain to you guys and what happened to me and what you need to look out for if you're going through something similar to me. I had colon rectal cancer, and I'm over that. I'm trying to get over some of the side effects of the surgery and the side effects of the chemo treatments. And the chemo's still in my body. It's been 4 weeks since I had a treatment, but it's still in my body pretty good. So that's where we're at there. And if y'all like this video, give it an old thumbs up. It don't cost you nothing. And if you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. It's free. Yeah, we don't charge nothing for this channel. We don't even do any dry begging for money like some other channels do, which is fine. You want to put it out there, which is fine. Hey, whatever. But maybe eventually I'll put more and more videos out about what y'all want me to do videos of. So let me know in the comments, and we'll go ahead and do that. So appreciate y'all hanging in there. I know this video ain't for everybody. That's about my health. My health is, I really am feeling good. I feel the best right now that I have my whole life, because I'm trying to eat right. I'm trying to eat grilled food, and just living good. All right, I appreciate it. Thanks for everybody for watching it. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really do appreciate it. Bye.